Enterprise structure is where we start with our enterprise level configuration. Okay, but before that, let me show you what is the front end. Front end will be the main part, that is SAP menu, where all of the front end menus for all other modules are available. Okay, so this is our SAP menu. Users can have their own menu. They can add favorites. They can add favorite their transactions that they want to work with. That can be PA30, maintain HR data. Okay, that's how you can create your own set of transactions.
Activities.
Yes. Okay, SAP
Okay.
material management. You have you don't have Miro.
MIR 7, MIR 4.
Oh, okay. You have dot 14 recurring entries. Okay, so that's how you add favorites. Your business workplace is where you can integrate emails within the organization, and you can send emails to your departments using SAP Business Workplace. Okay, and you can set appointments in your calendar that is given within SAP, and that can be shared with your.
This is possible under workplace management?
This is integrated with the workflow process.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so uh, now we'll have SAP menu. SAP menu is covering every module for front-end activity. We'll be starting with General Ledger, Master Records, GL, and we'll be creating GL accounts. But before this, we need some configuration. This is the chart of accounts for the company, for your asset.
Okay.
Okay. So this is how you will actually reach at this point in one or two sessions. So /n, from here, I'll go to configuration SPRO, SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure. This is enterprise structure. You create a structure for the whole company. Okay. Financial accounting, define company, entries, KR48, Craven Trading Company, Singapore. Craven KR48. Okay. Feed your box by Singapore country SG. Singapore SG. Language will be English. Currency will be international USD. Postal code must have length. Okay. KR48. Travel trading Singapore. INN. Save. Everything will be saved in this. Every part of your configuration will be saved in this node. KR48. Okay. Next is company code. I'll go very fast now. Company code data, new entries, KR48, travel, trading, Singapore, Singapore SG currency, USD language, English, wave SG, we can define business area. Business area is business segments like accessories, production. Production is not a business. Automobile repair, this is a business. What is business area? Is just like profit centers. Different GLs can work under a business area. That's the flexibility. So can they work under profit centers. Potato chips, this is business business segment. Okay. Cars, okay, this is
Sir, what is the
business.
difference? What is the difference between business center and business segment?
Segment is basically higher precedence to profit center. We'll discuss this later. Okay, now business area is not used, but we use profit centers now. Okay, we have done with company code. Now comes logistics valuation level. Valuation level will be a plant by default. Okay. Define plant. New entries KR48. Trading. KR48. Factory calendar GB. Save. SG. Save. Plant is created. Okay. Define location. New entries KR48. Locations can be different. SG Singapore KR48. SG save. Division is like, again, business areas. We'll not touch this right now. We'll do it when we are in materials management. Storage location. Plant KR48. This is very important for material master. New entries. 01 SG Singapore KR48. Save. Warehouse number. We can use also warehouse number, shipping point, loading point. And that is what you will do yourself. Once that is done, we have assignment. Location, material management, storage location, purchase organization. We missed it. Okay, purchase organization KR48. Carol, Carol KR48. Save. Now assignment, integration, company code with company integration. KR48. KR48. Save. Assign profit center, will do this later. Logistics, assign plant to company code. KR48. New entries KR48. KR48. Save.
So what is this COCD?
Company code.
Company code. Okay.
Deal management. Purchase organization to company code and plant. KR48. KR48. Save. Purchase organization to plant integration. New entries. KR48. KR48. Standard purchasing organization to plant. KR48. There can be multiple purchasing organization, but one will be central and a standard that can be copied to any purchase organization, and that is what we're doing here. Assign purchasing to reference purchase order. This is where a principal purchase organizations will be made. KR48, KR48, release order, conditions, save. Save. Okay. Next comes in financial accounting. Financial accounting, general ledger accounting, GL, master data, preparations, edit chart of accounts list, new entries, KR48, trading, KR48, charts of accounts. In maintenance language English, 5 will be the GL length number. Group chart of accounts can also be maintained here. Save.
Sir, GL account number, I didn't get it.
Length of GL account number will be 5.
Like 11111.
Yes. Position KR48. KR48. Save. Oh. GL accounts, definitions. Define account group. 8842. I'm just copying this as a reference chart of account. 42. Copy as KR48. KR48. OBD4. 8842.
Sir, ये 8842.
This is another chart of account used as a reference right here. Oh.
सर क्या ये पहले से बना हुआ तो सेम कॉपी कर रहे हैं, इस तरह से कुछ है?
Yes. Just to make things a little bit faster. Nothing else. Got
तो सर जब
as
हम नई नई कंपनी में नया काम कर रहे होंगे वहां तो नहीं होगा इस तरह का कुछ?
नहीं ऐसा नहीं होगा. When you are actually copying in another subsidiary, then you can do it.
पेरेंट कंपनी पे किस तरह करेंगे?
Parent company में आपका client आपको देगा ये. The client will actually give you the chart of accounts. Okay, 17 entries are chosen. Now this is the chart of accounts. We have different heads for GLs, for equity, HR accounts, material accounts, recon accounts, expense, taxes, secondary GL, liquid funds, assets, adjustments, income accounts,
सर
save.
बेसिकली ये हमारी मैपिंग है
Yes,
जिसके अंडर में तमाम अकाउंट्स आएंगे.
yes. Okay, this is done. PRO. Retained earnings account. This is the next step. KR48. X and 20,000. This is not yet made, so it is giving us a warning in orange. Just press enter, save. Okay, this is done. Individual processing field groups.
सर ये एक्स लगा के फिर आगे कैसे बढ़े, क्यों बढ़े?
That is a symbol basically. Define retained earnings account. If you have group of companies using the same chart of accounts, then of course we lose 20,000, okay? For different companies, all right?
सर मतलब ये हुआ कि अगर मैं एक कंपनी के लिए करूंगा तो मुझे एक सिंबल यूज करना पड़ेगा, दूसरी कंपनी के
Yes,
दूसरा सिंबल हो।
yes. Ledgers, yields, field status variance. Node of field status variance, I'll tell you in a while. Zero one copy as 01 is by default given by SAP. AR48, AR48, gravel field status, copy all, 43, field status, save. Okay, this is saved. Now, field water field status group, this is basically how your accounts will be designed for different categories. How fields will be arranged in a cost-related GL account. It will
सर
show
थोड़े से
fields
फास्ट, थोड़े से फास्ट जा रहे हैं आप।
the base. Okay, so in cost accounts, when we are creating cost accounts for costing for overheads, for cost centers related entries, material management related entries or fields will not be shown in that GL account. So your GL account design is based on field status variance. We'll see this when we create GL accounts. Okay. Save changes. Okay, save changes have been saved. Assign company code. KR48. KR48. Save. Okay. Fields are done. Fiscal year and posting periods. Maintain fiscal year variant. Okay, fiscal year variant that we'll use will be calendar year. Calendar year is January to December. That's why it is ticked calendar year. 12 periods plus 4 special or extra periods for adjustment. Adjustments like reconciliation, GR, IR entries, unplanned depreciation, uh, um, entries for recurring entries, accruals, unposted invoices, unposted payments, okay, returns, foreign currency valuation, balance carry forward. These are done in 4 special periods, while the 12 periods are for entries. Okay. Then we have, this was K4 calendar year. Let's see, V6. V6 is July to June. This is not calendar year. That's why why this is not calendar, because it is starting from July to June. Calendar year starts from January to December. Okay. 12 months, 4 periods. So what periods do we have here? We have periods like starting from month of July. That will be period 1. Year shift, same year, 2023, until December 12th month, year shift is 0. But once 2024 comes in, the calendar will shift, because this is not a calendar year, so calendar will shift. So to bring back the calendar, we put -1, and that period will be 7. January will be period 7. This is how periods are maintained. Edit calendar, fiscal year variant. AZ. Let's see. execute. Assign company code AR48 K4. Calendar year for special periods. Posting periods. Now what are posting periods? New entries KR48. Posting period variant AR48. Save. Assign to company code AR48. AR48. Save. Chart of accounts and fiscal year variant are done. So go for posting periods. The posting periods maintain all. Maintain all means we have the standard 001, which is provided by SAP. I'll just copy this, copy as AR48. Okay, now this is posting period variant. What period are open for the company code? One,
Postings.
yeah, for postings for the company code from 2020 to 2030. No, this is wrong. I don't want such a long open close posting period. 8842 copy as target entries. No, maintain all. 8842 copy as AR48. Save, save. So this is from 1 to 12, 2023 authorization 8842 KR48 for special periods 13 and 16 for adjustment entries. Okay, and period 3 and 4 is special for posting in other years or other periods. Save. That was saved. Okay. Yeah, one thing more. KR48. KR48 is plus A, D, K, and S. What does this mean? Plus is for all the accounts. This is empty, which means end to end, all. A is for assets from beginning to the last of all accounts. D is customers, beginning to last accounts. K is for vendors, M for material, S for GL. Okay. Once we are done with this, then we have the next step, that is definition controlling. Very important step. Maintain controlling area. Mm, Maintain controlling area. New entries. Controlling area is equal to company code KR48. Okay, so it copies all the chart of accounts and fiscal year variants that we have just given. INT. Okay, save. Company code controlling cross company code. Save. Enter. Next is this is saved. Okay, this is saved. Let's go to OKKP. OKKP is the transaction. For more details, controlling area settings for KR48. KR48, double click and we have cost center standard hierarchy. AR48, it will say it is not made. Should it be made? Yes, it should be made. Activate components? Yes. Activate components, new entries 2023 component, cost center will be active, activity type, order management, projects, sales order cost objects will be activated. Assignment of company codes. Over here, you can give multiple company codes only if chart of accounts and fiscal year variant are the same. Okay. So multiple company codes can be given to a controlling area to control for costing purposes, profit center accounting. This is done. Enter. Okay. This is done. Now we are in a position for some more configuration, which are a little bit complex. SPRO, uh, financial accounting, global settings, ledgers, define setting, define settings for ledgers and currency types. Okay, we have a leading ledger which is across the SAP landscape is the same. Only one leading ledger is found in one SAP landscape. Okay, but we can have multiple standard and extension ledgers, which are not leading ledgers. Only one leading ledger is allowed. Check it, and you will go for company code settings. Company code setting is AR48. AR48. Double click. Over here, posting periods, variant is given, parallel accounting checked, gap, functional currency 10. Functional currency is company code currency. We have different kinds of currencies, company code, profit center, group level currency, and so on. Okay. Controlling object currency, this is all done, US dollars. Okay. So, accounting principles that we have available, accounting principles, new entries, gap, 60. IFRS, gap, save. Okay, this is done. Currency types will be different. What are currency types? Document currency. For example, document enter is in Egyptian pound. Company code currency is USD. Group currency can be PKR. Hard currency is your hard currency. Your hard currency is called what? Can't remember we call that name. Fiat currency. Fiat currency is hard currency. Global currency. Global company currency can be USD or it can be French euros or anything.
Sir,
Canadian dollar.
I didn't get about hard currency.
Hard currency is fiat currency. The coins, the notes that you have, hard currency. Okay. Controlling object currency, it can be different. Your plant is operating somewhere in Vietnam. The Vietnam currency will be used over here. Okay. That is currency type. Some are global, like company code currency. Some are company
Sir,
specific.
it is basically like a consolidation of foreign investment or foreign
Yes.
subsidiary.
For foreign currencies valuation. Yes. Okay. Global currency conversion settings. Okay. We have company code currency controlling area, Orient material, and one new entries have been made.
So we have to configure every currency we are in which we are operating with different segments or different countries.
Yes, we have to maintain the transaction rates. That is done through OB08. OB08. From here, you maintain the currency, Euro, USD, PKR, Indian rupees, everything. Okay.
Okay.
Now, SPRO, financial accounting. Um, ledgers, parallel valuation approaches, parallel accounting, accounting principles, basic settings, maintain currency and valuation profile. This is for material management, for valuation of material in different currencies. New entries, AR48. AR48. Travel, save, fails. It is using legal valuation, group valuation, or profit center valuation. There are three types of valuations in SAP. Okay. So you can have leading ledger for legal valuation. You can have standard ledger for group valuation. And you can have profit center valuation with extension ledger. Difference between standard and extension ledger is extension ledger gets transactions from leading ledger, from other ledger. Okay. I hope you got the point or no. Assign company currency and valuation to controlling area. KR48, KR48 on KR48. This is USD. Okay. Save. Maintain descriptions for valuation basis. Define ledger for CO version. CO version, new entries. KR48. What is zero version? Actual and planned value. 0L compatible. You can also give other ledgers over here too. Version. Which version? Plan actual version. What is plan actual version? Planned entries, actual entries for product costing. Planned values for producing 1,000 batches of material and actual capturing the actual and then comparing it with planned values. Save. Okay. Material ledger settings, very important. Currency types. Okay, new entries, KR48. Material ledger, KR48, very important. What is material ledger? Material ledger is used for valuation of material in different currencies. Individual characteristics, it will use company code currency. New entries, and we can have currency type, group currency, profit center area currency, any hard currency, whatever you like. Controlling area currency. Okay. Enter. Save. This is done. Assign material type to valuation area. What is valuation area? Plant. Plant is valuation area. KR48, valuation area is not there. KR48, KR48. And we have status. Multiple able currencies not allowed. Okay, controlling area currency is not allowed. Currency cannot be used. This currency marks a material ledger, but is not integrated in the FI component. Okay, so we'll have to go back, save. Currency types. KR48. KR48. And we will delete this. Okay. Okay. Now let's see. KR48. KR48 is now active. Once this is done, activate material ledger. Valuation area. Yeah. KR48. Price determination will be 2, which is individual transaction based. Okay. Continue and save. Okay, level of detail. Define valuation planning. We'll do this later. And today's lecture is